So, finally continued on. Finally had some time to work on the CRX EPS from Toyota Prius. Anyway, so I got a donor. I bought it from a junkyard. I have these guys are really cool. It's in I'll send out a link. Really nice people over there. Price is reasonable, but I'll send out a link on a description one of these days when I'm done with my project. So I removed the CRX. I disassembled it. So I actually disassembled the power steering column that includes the ignition switch, the all the blinkers, and basically the switches. And then this actually came from the inside of it. I disassembled it. The other half of it is this one. So I'm going to weld this part right here securely. Cut this part from the EPS of a Prius. I'm going to show it to you guys. So this is all disassembled now from the CRX. I'm probably going to reuse this. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. So, you know, I'm just doing the project. One of those things I go as I cut and weld stuff. So I haven't even welded in my whole life. So, but I do have a welder. It's just sitting there collecting dust. So this one, just, you know, shave it off. I think there's another weld on the inside, but I'm probably going to reuse this to adjust the steering wheel. So we'll see. We'll see how that goes, but I'm just concentrating on the shafts now, on the spline. The spline is very similar, close, but it's not. So I'm gonna be using the CRX spline, of course. I'm probably gonna cut from here, weld it from the bottom spline of the EPS. That way it's secure. Let me show you. It's not for the faint of, you know, if you don't have the guts to do it, then you shouldn't be doing it. There's a lot of stuff involved on cutting, measuring. The idea of it, you know, it's not like I can pull up a manual or online stuff here that you can just follow it. Anyway, this is the position where it's gonna be. I marked it to, you see how that's still inside. So I'm gonna grab the CRX, this part right here, cut it from here, and then weld it from here. That way it's extended to here where the steering wheel is at. So that's just basically it. I have a little bit of room, which is perfect. Well, it's kind of dangling right now, but if you pull it up a little bit, it gives you a little bit extra room. And then the motor is just hiding from there. That's how I positioned it. And then from the bottom, there's a little bit of gap. So that's going to be the gap where I'm going to cut the spline, where I can weld it from the EPS of the Prius.
Daddy, you want some more light?
I'm good, Bear. Thank you, though. Appreciate it. Where'd you find that flashlight?
Oh, I found it over there.
All right, thanks. Thanks for helping. You want to light me up? Come on.
Yeah, sure.
So that's my little one, always trying to help. Say hi, Bear.
Hi.
So basically, this is my original steering wheel that I'm going to be keeping. Just ever in case it doesn't work out, then at least I can go back to my factory steering wheel. But so far I haven't encountered any problems. So after doing all the hard labor, I'm gonna probably tap into one of these wires where the when you put in the ignition key, there's a power. So I don't know which one it is, but I'll figure it out once I have my voltmeter. And that's about it for now, guys and gals. Slow progress, but you know, I don't have time because I have my little one to take care of, work. You know, I just do this for fun. But if you guys can sub and thumbs up, that'd be great. And thanks for watching.
Yeah, see you tomorrow, guys.
Until next time.
Yeah.
This is the mock-up right now, so I'm quite happy with the progress. Thank you.